From 1945 to 1950, the Reforger exercise would commence annually in West Germany. Its purpose was to prepare the West for potential Soviet invasion. However, due to the collapse of the Soviet Union, and the rise of Spanish national syndicalism as the predominant ideological threat to democracy, the exercise was cancelled. The Pyrenees Land Air Contingent is the first unit to engage in potential combat with Madrid Pact forces. The unit contains 10 divisions, 4 American, 1 joint British and Canadian division, 2 French, 1 from the newly formed Kingdom of Germany, 1 from Belgium, and 1 from North Italy. The 1st Division in PLACON belongs to the United States. While all units in the division are a part of the U.S. Army, their designations are changed to make identification and organization in PLACON easier. The division consists most basically of 2 infantry regiments and 1 light armored regiment. Large support units include an armored recon battalion which is made up of French AMX-10 AFVs. Under its command is an anti-air battalion which uses Hawk surface-to-air missiles. The other large support unit present in the division is the 4th Fighter Wing of the U.S. Air Force, which is made up of F-15E Strike Eagles.
Soldiers from 1st Battalion.
While the U.S. Army has rapidly mechanized since the Second World War, the use of motorized infantry as the primary unit in an infantry division as opposed to mechanized was proposed as a solution to issues relating to terrain and mobility in the Pyrenees Mountains that make up the border between France and the Spanish state.
The attack conducted by the battalion's main effort. Translated, that essentially means maintain suppressive fires on the enemy so he can't put effective fires on friendly forces as they assault up to seize the objective.
While the organizational template of the American, Canadian and British divisions are almost completely identical, the German, Italian and Belgian divisions are completely unique. After World War II, the Allies were very keen on preventing German rearmament. However, with the Spanish occupation of Morocco and their forceful division of Italy, the Volksarmee was established with almost no restrictions on their rearmament. The constitutional monarchy in Germany was established in 1952 and is currently under King Albrecht of Saxony, who has been king since 1971. He, alongside the military and general populace, are particularly enthusiastic in their collaboration with the West in NATO. The general sentiment in Germany is that the Spanish Falangist movement is a continuation of Nazi ideals that must be opposed, especially once reports of German war criminals working in the Spanish military surfaced in the 60s. The Germans have provided the 2nd Armored Division to PLACON. It contains 2 armored regiments which are each made up of 2 tank battalions, the tanks being Leopard 1A4s, and 1 Marder battalion. The other regiment in the unit is a single mechanized infantry regiment which includes 2 Marder battalions, and 1 support battalion which comes with 6 155mm howitzers, and 8 Hawk surface-to-air missile systems. Support units include 3 extra anti-air crews and a Luftwaffe fighter squadron of Tornado and F-4 Phantom jets. The Belgian Division, the 1st Ground Support Division, is perhaps the most unique unit to be deployed on a modern battlefield, as it is a mostly unarmored group favoring support units such as artillery and anti-air over direct engagement units like mechanized infantry or armor. The division is made up of a single infantry regiment and 2 support regiments. The infantry regiment is a standard 3 motorized battalions with an attached howitzer crew and rotary aerial logistics company. The support regiments consists of 3 anti-air companies, 1 MLRS battery, a self-propelled mortar, 5 155mm howitzers, a squadron of close air support aircraft, those being CAS-equipped F-16s, and a fighter wing of F-16s. It is important to note that the aircraft are generally split between the 2 regiments. The Italians and French share the same infantry division template, with both featuring 2 mechanized regiments and a single armored regiment. Support are a fighter wing and notably, rotary wing airborne infantry.